Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about how to journalize discount amortization. Let's say that on the first day of the fiscal year, a company issues a $4,200,000 10% 5-year bond that pays semi-annual interest of $210,000, receiving cash of $4,041,710. Your job is to journalize the first interest payment and the amortization of the related bond discount. Now, discount amortization is the process of gradually allocating an original issued discount on a bond or loan as an additional interest expense over its life. This process increases interest expense so that the book value of the bond gradually increases to the face value so that eventually they are equal at maturity. Now, let's put down the accounts that are being affected in this problem, which are interest expense, discount on bonds payable, and cash. Firstly, cash. We know that the company is paying for interest payments of $210,000 semi-annually, so they are losing that much cash each payment. Therefore, we can put that amount down as the credit to cash. $210,000. Next, discount on bonds payable. So, bonds payable is always going to be recorded at face value, and any difference that exists is reflected in a premium or discount account. Since the company received cash less than the face amount, the difference is recorded in a discount account. To find the discount amount being journalized, we must first subtract the amount the company received for the bond from the face amount. In this case, that'll be $4,200,000 minus $4,041,710, which comes out to $158,290 as the total discount. The straight line method of amortization, which we are using here, provides equal amounts of amortization over the life of the bond. A 5-year bond that pays semi-annually will have 10 payments. Therefore, we must divide $158,290 by 10, which comes out to $15,829 of amortization each payment. So we can credit this amount to the discount account, $15,829. Finally, interest expense. This account represents the total expense to the company from interest and amortization. To get this, we must simply add up the cash paid for the interest and the discount amount being amortized. For us, that'll be $210,000 plus $15,829, which comes out to an interest expense of $225,829 as the debit for this account. And there you go. You now know how to journalize discount amortization. But I'm going to give you another problem so that you have a chance to practice this concept. Let's say that on the first day of the fiscal year, a company issues a $7,500,000 10% 5-year bond that pays semi-annual interest of $375,000, receiving cash of $7,357,350. Your job is to journalize the first interest payment and the amortization of the related bond discount. I recommend pausing the video here and trying it out for yourself. But if not, that's okay. Alrighty, now I'm going to do it. Firstly, let's put the 3 accounts being affected, which are interest expense, discount on bonds payable, and cash. For cash, we know that we can credit it for $375,000 to account for the interest payment. Next, for the discount account, we must first find the total discount by doing $7,500,000 minus $7,357,350, which comes out to a total discount of $142,650. $142,650 divided by 10 comes out to $14,265 of the discount that is amortized each payment. We can put this $14,265 as the credit on the discount on bonds payable account. $14,265. Finally, for interest expense, we know that we have to add the cash credit to the discount on bonds payable credit to get the interest expense amount. For us, that'll be $375,000 plus $14,265, which comes out to a total interest expense of $389,265 as the debit on this account. And there you go. You now understand the concept of discount amortization and how to journalize it. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.